Morning, Mallory. How are you feeling?
Never been better. I feel different after the repair. Feels like a new engine.
I'm glad to hear that.
Are those your new coaches?
Oh, these? Nah, they're the old ones. You know, that brown with silver roof color? They repainted into this sky blue color. Mr. Robertson said he ordered a few more new coaches to have the same livery as this one.
I see. I guess they do look nice in blue instead of brown.
Indeed. Well, I'm off to collect my first passenger now. I'll see you later, Mouse.
See you, Danny.
Hey Mills, great to see you back on service.
Indeed. Thanks, Dean. And thank you for both you and Danny for covering my work while I was decommissioned.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, it's been a rough lots of shipments and goods arriving on the railway. It's been heavy for me and Andy to manage.
And that's why we need a bigger engine to help with the work.
Oh, goodness. Robertson and Grimsey, you're back from your overhaul.
Yes, it's great to be back.
So, what's this bigger engine you said earlier?
Mr. Robertson said he ordered 2 big engines on the trial to help with the goods work.
So when will they arrive?
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, I am excited to meet them.
Good morning all. I have brought 2 big engines on a trial to help with the goods work. This is Big Ivan.
Hello.
And Lonework.
Nice to meet you.
I've never seen engines like you, and no offense, but you both look like you're built from a different country.
That's because they are. They're Japanese built of the GNR class D51.
Oh, that explains it.
I hope you all get along well with them and teach them the line. You too can learn from them. They'll teach you how to do things around.
Yes, sir.
That's great. I'll see you all this evening. Cheers!
Hello, welcome to the Daedo Railway. I'm Dean, and this is...
We don't care.
Excuse me. Who do you think you're talking to?
Yeah, we know who we're talking to. British engines who thinks they're better than us.
We know what you're trying to do. Just keep that to yourself and mind your business.
Ah! What was that for?
For fun.
What rudeness!
Can't believe I have to say this, but why would Mr. Robinson trial these vulgar engines?
Especially when one of them spat at me.
Hey, what's the big idea, man?
What the hell, man?
Oops, sorry.
Ah, damn it, twins.
What the? Whoa, whoa! Ugh, I smell like a cow.
Oh no, it looks like someone has reached their climax. Gaboom, gaboom.
already, old timer.
Fuck up, bloody bastard.
He calls me a boxy pear.
You think that's worse? He calls me a whore for crying out loud.
Hey, I've been through the worst, alright? I got spat on, and I got covered in cow milk. I still smell like a cow!
It looks like someone has gotten milked.
Shut up, it's not funny.
Jokes aside, we need to talk to Mr. Robinson about this.
Yeah, punish them for what they did to us.
But hold on. Don't you think there might be a reason why they became like that?
What do you mean, Mal?
Remember when they spoke to us about us British engines thinking we're better than them? And them thinking we're going to do something to them?
You got a point. I still don't get what to do. What do they mean by that?
I think I know why. Long ago, when a British struck a deal with the Japanese National Railway on sending some of their Japanese engines to work on the British Railway. They may be one of them. So when they first arrived on the British Railway, engines of our kind didn't like them. They think engines like them are strange looking and thought they might be replace them. So they were mistreated and called them in such offensive names. I guess those attitudes has rubbed onto them.
Strange locomotive.
I know, right? They look nothing like us.
The nerve.
Oh my. I can't believe our kind would do such a thing.
I feel bad for them.
We're really trash.
No, don't say that. We are not like them. Let's just tell Mr. Robertson about this.
But what if they get punished and it's not their fault?
Just tell him what Robertson just told us.
Indeed. Let's go tell him.
Hello, brother. How's your day?
Pretty great. I call that D51 a dinosaur and should belong in a museum like those dinosaur bones.
Ooh, not bad. I passed by that one purple engine at the Talkative station who's struggling to pull a goods train, and I tell him to just give up.
Oh, not bad. Oh, shush. Here's the manager.
Oh.
Good evening, you two.
Hello,
Evening,
sir.
Big Iron and Lordward, I am very pleased with your performance and your hard work handling the heavy goods work.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
However, I'm not pleased with your attitudes towards my engines. Today one of them told me how you treat towards them since your arrival.
I told you this was a bad idea.
But it's not entirely our fault. It's the...
I know what you're about to say, and I'm sorry what you have been going through.
You do?
I know the whole history of you, and your kind have been badly treated by us. But just to let you know, not all of them are like that. Maybe those engines might have a mistreat you in the past, but not on this railway. None of my engines are like that. They're all nice and polite. They were being nice to you, but you lost them out. I hope you realize about this, and I'll give you time to think yourselves.
Yes, sir. We will.
So... are we gonna get punished?
No, of course not. You both are forgiven. But please, right after this, don't mistreat them and go apologize to them.
Oh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now get some rest. You both have a busy day tomorrow. Remember, what I said, you too.
Do you think they'll ever forgive us?
I don't know.
Morning?
Look, mate, if you want to make fun of me, I suggest you.
I'm sorry.
Pardon?
I'm sorry for how me and my brother treated you and your friends. We thought that bullying you engines was a way to help defend ourselves from how those engines mistreated us back then. We're tired of being mistreated and get called those horrible names. It hurts! Yesterday we've been discussing, and we now realize that none of you guys are like those engines. And I hope you can find a way to forgive us. Tell your friends about this. We understand if you guys don't want to talk with us anymore. Take care.
I'm so relieved that our goods broken right on time, even with the help of those twins.
I passed by a big iron today, and he just whistled and said hello.
Do you think that Mr. Robertson gave them a stern talk yesterday?
I think so.
Hi, Andy. Are you okay? You look kind of sad.
Is Lawnworth?
What about it?
Did he call you something bad?
No. He apologized to me.
He did? That was something, I guess.
He told me how hurtful he and his kind have been through back in the past, and tells me to tell you guys that they're sorry for how they treat us, and they understand if we're not going to talk or forgive them.
So, do you think they're going to change?
Yes. Yes, they do.